Watch how quickly he's coming through this corner. Yo, what is going on, guys? It's Toby here, and welcome back to a brand new YouTube video. So today we're going to be taking a ride in a Audi R8. Pretty sure it's the V10 Plus. It's my buddy Zach, and he's visiting from up north. He brought the car down. That thing looks crazy. And we also got to do some other stuff. I'm pretty sure I'm going to a car meet tomorrow. Like, check this out. It's the V10, right?
What's up, dude? Yes, sir.
Sounds sick. You just got a new wrap?
Yeah, it's Rapid Gold Rush.
Oh, for the rally, right?
Yeah.
Well, you're from where? And you're just visiting right now?
Well, from Maryland originally, live in New York now, but my folks got a place down here in West Palm.
Oh, that's just like my wheel.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I went through Carbon-tastic.
Oh, really?
Yeah, here, I'll put this up so you can probably hear a bit better.
K-band.
That looks sick.
K-band.
Except I broke the paddle off, so.
Is the carbon fiber in the middle is all OEM, right?
All
like,
OEM.
The dash.
Yeah.
Oh, you put the top up.
Might be able to hear a little better, but yeah, so everything literally is stock in this car except for the exhaust and this wheel right here. That's it, minus, and you know, probably one of one missing a paddle.
Yeah, do some stuff to this car or no? Keep it stock.
Probably keep it stock.
Oh,
I mean, just with how the market
twin
is,
turbos,
dude.
man.
Yeah, but
You need some
if
twin
somebody
turbos.
finds me some TT money, sure.
Yeah, they're expensive. When did you get this car?
I got this in 2020. Yeah, so I've had it for.
My friend has the same exact one.
Oh, really?
Yeah, 20. Well, I actually think his is a 19. It's yellow.
Nice.
Like same spec. What do they call the paint?
So mine's Vegas yellow.
There's another yellow, right?
Yeah, there's another yellow, but I honestly forgot the name of it.
It's like banana or something like that. Or some stupid.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's what he has. That's what he has. He doesn't have the Vegas yellow. He has the other one. Usually, like, this is like a decent area, but you gotta be careful sometimes.
Cops and
In Mexico. Yeah, sometimes there are some. Ooh, I want to see what it feels like in this car. Actually, no, I have not experienced one in this car. Only the V8 R8. But that's crazy. You'll actually hook right now?
I should be able to. Thank
That's
you.
nuts. Alright, we get what the sauce is about. Jesus! Oh my god, dude, and you did it! It's way out. You spun a little bit.
Spun a little bit.
Still. If I did that in the Mustang, I'd be in the ditch.
I think I probably launched this thing over 100 times. So,
Really?
like, honestly, yeah. Also, the tires, like, I haven't switched tires since the rally. So, like, it's balding a little bit. I guess good enough, right?
Yeah, good enough. I mean, the all-wheel drive saving you.
Yeah, dude, that's literally
nuts.
night and day with the all-wheel drive in that.
Jeez, bro, and those pops, that's all OEM?
No, so everything is Soul Performance, actually. The guys at Soul Performance hooked me up with the exhaust.
Oh, really?
So, yeah.
Hopefully pop stock?
No. Nothing stock. Literally, this thing was so quiet beforehand.
Really?
Yeah, I had an F-Type before this. That thing was like 10 times louder than stock.
Did you like the F-Type?
It was a great car, honestly. That was like
Really?
the first
That's
like sports car that I kind of
V8?
had.
V8, yeah.
Yes, that was a V8.
What is it, a 5.0?
5.0, yeah. It was awesome.
Doesn't Ford make their motors?
Yeah, so Ford, I had a 2016, so that was all Ford. I don't know what they're doing now.
Yeah.
And like I had the old body, which I think is a lot better than the new, but
So it was a British Ford, pretty much.
essentially, yeah.
Yeah.
British Ford made by Tata, who's Indian owned, so.
Oh yeah, they are
Like
Indian
everything,
now.
yeah.
And they do Land Rover too now,
They do
right?
Land Rover, yeah.
Yeah, that's
Jaguar Land Rovers all
wild.
together.
God, bro, those pops are nuts. Christ. And I assume, like, off a roll, you always hook, right? Like,
Pretty much.
You never spin?
Even if it's like wet out, like honestly, I've done some pretty stupid. I'll try to take, a bull in the range to see like how
And
fast I can actually
it'll
go. Up until like 80, 90, dude, I'm honestly fine. I won't start to hydroplane or anything.
Damn. Nah, couldn't
Sorry
be
to
me.
bring back any memories about it.
Yeah. any ounce of wetness there is in the road, dude, and
Yeah.
I'm done in my car. But that's because it's so violent.
yeah.
You know, it's a Whipple car. So.
You've also done so much to it. Like this is basically
Yeah.
bone stock except for the exhaust.
Well, you got to remember that
And
this,
it's all-wheel drive,
This
like, they
car
made
is
it.
engineered.
Oh yeah,
to
100%.
hook.
100%.
Ford is not.
Yeah.
This car is like, how can we maximize traction and handling?
Oh, 100%.
Yeah, that's how they designed it.
Taking this on a couple tracks.
It's a spaceship. It's flawless. The design is nuts, you know.
The craziest part too, I don't know if you ever been on an oval truck before?
No.
Dude, this thing like hooks going just around.
I've never actually been on a track besides the drag strip.
So yeah, I've been on a couple tracks, and like honestly, the road courses are great, but like the oval tracks, dude, you don't think like the embankment's that that steep?
Like Daytona 500 where they go like that. Like,
it's nuts.
100%
and like
steep.
with this thing, I was floored.
I have so much to do, man. Now I gotta pick up a new bumper, which I haven't told the vlog about yet. Whipple, I gotta send off my Whipple to get a new Whipple. Gotta get some revs real quick. I just took a ride in it, as you guys saw. It sounds so nasty, man. I need a V10 in my life. Yo, Zach. You gotta give me some revs before you dip. Oh my God. Jesus. I'll see you, man. And he still hooks and it's soaking wet. That's crazy to me. I could never, man. So I mentioned a bumper and Zach literally just left, but with the bumper, my stepdad moved the Mustang for the Hurricane up to the second floor of the apartment complex, right? Well, he parked the car and he did exactly what this guy did with the Benz. And I have an aftermarket splitter on the car. He pulled it all the way forward, and I was going to give my stepbrother a ride in the Mustang for the first time. And guess what, guys? It ripped the bumper off completely, like cracked it right here. So I need a whole new bumper. You cannot reuse that whatsoever, unfortunately. And this happened once again because he pulled the car all the way to the stop. So the wheel was literally right there touching the stop. I tried to back up, pulled the bumper right on off. So, I mean, that's just bloody fantastic, I'm not gonna lie. But we are gonna pick up a new bumper tomorrow. I'll include it within this video, and then we'll go to a car meet in the Camaro. Really sucks though, Sally's busted up once again. I literally cannot catch a break. Just got scammed on 2 Superchargers, but at least I'm not gonna be financially accountable for this one. I'm not paying for the new bumper. So we'll have a sick new bumper on the car. Got to get it repainted. It is what it is, boys. I'm not going to stress about it, but I'll show you all how bad it is. Like, this is not the worst of it. I put the bumper closer, but like that's for real what it looks like. I mean, the lights and everything still work, the RTR grill, but with that Mach 1 bumper I want to get, it's GTE styled and it has its own lights. So I'm not going to be using that grill. I'll probably sell that splitter too because we can't use it obviously on the Mach 1 bumper. I mean, man, that just sucks. The car's busted. Anyways, I will catch you all tomorrow with the plans of going to the car meet if I do end up going and picking up the bumpers. So that's gonna do it for tonight. Good night, fellas. I'll see you all tomorrow. I'm literally destroying my stock bumper right now because we're gonna take this car to pick up the new one at 7.7 Performance, the Mach 1. How's it looking? You think that's gonna work?
Yeah.
Where did you zip tie that to?
Where like this thing was. Where the
the fender
pop
connection?
clip. Yeah.
Then we're gonna have 3 of them. Hopefully that stays on. I need to make a bigger hole or no? Yeah, that makes sense. So Gino's also gonna cut the edge of the bumper off to make the clearance a little better with the tire. Is that gonna cut right through if you cut off the edge or no?
I hope so.
Oh my god. Bro, this is so cringe.
Bro's a JDM boy now.
This is so cringe. Oh my god. Jesus Christ. Yo, you think that's holding, Gino?
I don't know, bro.
Well, I guess we'll find out.
This is so cringe.
It is. It's horrible. Literally looks terrible. Are you bleeding?
Where? Oh,
Yeah, I just saw the blood all over my paint and I was like,
Bro, what the hell?
How did you even do that?
Dude, I don't even know. I didn't feel it.
Well, yeah, that's the solution to get us there, and I think we're just gonna throw on the new bumper and then drop the car off at the body shop. I already got into contact with the body shop guy. He said he has a drop box for the key. We drop the car there with a bumper and he'll paint it. And then the next time I come home from break, hopefully it'll be done. So, yep. Wait, have you heard it header dumped?
No.
No? Alrighty fellas, our contraption worked and we are literally here. So I don't know how it's gonna go down, but he's probably gonna bring the bumper out and show me just so I can see it, and then they'll probably package it up. But I don't think it's gonna fit in this car, so we're gonna probably have to get it on the car right now, ditch the stock bumper here, throw it out, and take the grill and the splitter off. So we'll see what happens. Hopefully they have some tools so we can do that. I mean, they probably do it. But yeah, I don't think it's gonna fit in here. Car, but that's the exact bumper that I'm putting on the car with the yellow lights, the GTE lights. So super sick. What's up? Good. How are you? What does he do with this one? Takes it to the track?
Yeah. So we use it for filming content.
Well, I see it going sideways all the time.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Tires, which are dry ride. It's all done.
Yeah, the
Slide
diffuser
around.
is nuts.
Custom 1-of-1 diffuser.
You guys made that one too?
Yeah.
Wow.
That's crazy. I like the brake light.
You have any problems with the MT82 or no?
Zero.
Zero?
I had one problem when I had originally gotten the car,
Uh-huh.
which was I had a bad clutch from factory.
Yeah,
It would
that
always
happens a
lock
lot.
out. Right, it would always lock out. And then they didn't believe me until the car didn't go into reverse one time. They replaced the clutch and I never had another problem.
So back with a stock clutch?
Back with the stock clutch. And this still has the stock clutch. Well, say like not fast.
My God. You upgrade the brakes too or no?
Sort of.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Are those the 6-piston Brembos?
These are the 6 pistons, but you can get a lot out of the 6 pistons with different pads, rotors.
Wow, that stopped
fluid.
really well.
Yeah, it's
Anyone ever call the cops on you in here?
never.
That's wild. Crap. How much is that downforce helping him? Really stops well. Wow.
I'll help you out if you want to stop fast with that.
Yeah? Well, I'm on 4-piston Bears now.
Okay, so straight line stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Drag car.
this is not a very good drag.
Yeah, too much drag, literally. Jesus Christ, bro.
The car in terms of power is totally stock, but that has a lot to do with like actually generating heat on track. I'd rather be able to do 100 laps than 3 hot laps and then have to slow down. So we're gonna try out the E85. If it does well, fantastic. If not, we'll go back to 93. In the trunk we have the coilovers too. These are the brake ducts that I was telling you about for track.
Oh, yeah.
So these will feed from the lower grille. These are the coilover, like the actual reservoirs that we have in the rear. And then
Those are the ones that come from the bumper, right?
these will be the ones that we sell with the kit that actually goes on the back of the rotor.
I go for a ride that thing. That was nuts. Like, I just went for a ride. Cornering that fast is definitely a pretty cool experience. You struggling with harnesses?
I kind of am. I feel like.
Here, you're sitting on it. You're sitting on it. It's right here.
Thanks, bro.
Then I think you're on the top ones too. I'll help you. Right here. Yeah, there you go.
Yeah, I didn't know this is my first time.
Probably gonna himself, because I kind of did. I'm not gonna lie. Watch how quickly he's coming through this corner. Oh my god. So wild, call the arrow. What he's gonna say about that ride? He probably was like, it kind of scared me a little bit. I'm not even gonna lie, especially when he came through there going like 80, 90. That felt insane. Can't believe he's still in those factory 6 pistons. He said it was the brake pads that make it stop a lot better. No way that whole thing just fit like that. So those GTE lights tap on what? The headlights?
So the GTE lights, you'll tap into the actual fog lights.
Oh, okay.
So you're gonna have to get somebody who does the electrical. They're just gonna put some vampire clips on it. So whenever your actual fog lights turn on, so the ones in the turn signals, the GTE lights will connect to that.
Oh.
Ready? I'm gonna push.
Yeah?
Get in there. I
good.
don't know how you're going in there.
To Vinny's, so I don't know. It's probably gonna be like 2 or 3 weeks before I see this car again. That's okay, because I'm gonna be at UF finishing up finals and stuff. Uh-oh. Okay, no, we didn't lose the fender liner. It looked like it for a second because there was stuff all over the tire.
You would have heard it if you lost the fender liner.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, it's just been like a loud pop.
It's loud as yeah. It's literally ripping it out the fender and like wherever it's.
True. All the pop clips would have came out too. So I don't know. We'll drop this car off. Obviously, we have the bumper in the back. You guys got a preview of what it's going to look like. It's going to be a major upgrade over this one. And then I'm actually selling the RTR grill and the splitter because those are completely fine. So if you guys want them, DM me on Instagram.
Yo,
and we can work
Mustang,
something
buy
out.
that.
Yeah, John, actually for real, buy that. Not that ugly one that you have. Didn't mean to try him like that, but yeah, we're going to drop the car here. You got the key?
Yeah.
We'll drop it in the lockbox and get out of here. This vlog was not recorded in any sort of order whatsoever, and it has no continuation. I already installed the Whipple on the car and took it off by the time I'm recording this, but we're gonna finish this up by putting on the Chevy badge. I'm just gonna use some double-sided 3M tape and send it. Pretty simple stuff here. I mean, you have the badge, but it doesn't fit in here because it's not designed for this aftermarket grill. It's designed for the stock SS one. But it has like prongs on the bottom and top, so if you shove it in there, it kind of works, I'm not gonna lie. But I'm just gonna put tape on the contact points where it hits the grill, and it should stay in. I think I'm literally just gonna send it like this, and we should be good to go. Shouldn't be too bad, or maybe I'll put some on these two on the top, but I don't think it's necessary. This should be good. Just finished up with that 3M job. It looks like it's gonna hold. I mean, it's pretty rigid. It's not falling out. So that's your solution if you buy the Auto Addicts ZL1 conversion bumper and you still want the Chevy logo on there. Go ahead and get on eBay, buy the same logo, blacked out obviously, and for the SS actually, and then you put it in there with some 3M tape and it shouldn't fall off. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please remember to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.